Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to schedule a meeting Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to schedule a meeting Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To schedule a meeting, just point the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there are several icons. And tap this camera icon. Here a menu like this will appear. Here there are several menu options. Tap Schedule a Meeting. Now here you will enter the input to make a schedule. Here you can change the name of the meeting. Next, enter the number, email, or account you want to invite to the meeting. Here you can set the schedule, starting from the date, start time, to the end date and time. Tap here to make this meeting every day. You can add a meeting location. And you can also fill in the meeting description to be more specific and easy for others to understand. After finishing, tap Send in the upper right corner. So that's it. Tutorial how to schedule a meeting Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.